welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the October Premium Lumibox. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So super briefly before we do jump into the premium box, I do have an affiliate code with Lumibox, so if you would like to try them out, you can use the code PureLottie10 and that will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. Now it is an affiliate code, so I do make a small amount of commission on it, so if you have used my code or you are going to use my code, I do truly appreciate you supporting me and my channel. So jumping in, I paid 99 Australian dollars for the Premium Lumibox. Now this month's box did arrive very, very late. It is the last week in October now when I am filming this. And that is because here in Australia, we are still experiencing border closures between different states and the post has been an absolute nightmare. So yeah, unfortunately it did take a while to get, but I'm excited to have it, and looking at the contents already, it looks like a very exciting box and definitely well worth the wait. So opening up the box, you get your usual thank you card with all their socials on the back, and then you also get the list of products that you get. Now I pay 99 Australian dollars for this, and you normally get about 7 products, which this month we've definitely got 7. So if you see me looking down at all, is normally because I'm reading on here what the retail price is and where you can purchase it from. But jumping into the contents, so the first product that I've got here on top is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is the Beach Blossom eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. So it's just like a little mini palette. Now this retails for 35 Australian dollars and is available from bellapierre.ee/en. I might link that down below because that's a bit of an odd website, but this is what the outside looks like. And it just has 4 shades in it. Now this is a beautiful fall palette. Let me just show you. This is absolutely stunning. Look at all those shades. So to me it looks like, I'm just going to remove the little plastic quickly. Looks like a matte, then to a sort of shimmers. Actually all 3 of those are shimmers and 1 matte. Now I did get one of these in my base box, but it was a different shade, so I think I might keep the base box ones and I might pop this one in a future giveaway, so I won't give it a swatch today or use it, just because I don't need so many palettes, and I think I prefer the other palette over this one. So yeah, I'll pop this in a future giveaway for you guys. I am doing a massive giveaway shortly, so keep an eye out on my Instagram as well as here on YouTube. I will let you guys know when it is open to enter. So the second product that I got in the premium box is from Mary Grace, and it is a rose quartz facial roller, which retails for $50 Australian dollars, and is available from marygrace.com.au. So it comes in this really pretty box. Now I actually ordered one of these a while ago. I think it was for my mother-in-law, because I actually already have one of these, but it is absolutely beautiful. So it came with a little piece of foam on top, and this is the actual roller. Now I love to use mine in summer, and because I've got one myself already, I'm actually going to pass this on to a friend or family member or pop it in a future giveaway, because this will make a really, really nice gift, and I don't need 2 of them because I already have the exact same one, same color and everything. So I actually really love using mine in summer when I'm doing my skincare. It's nice and cool, and I also pop it in the fridge on really hot days, and it's just, it's so nice and relaxing, and it just really works to depuff your skin. So yeah, that's an exciting product to get in here. So the third product that we got in this month's premium box is from MAC Cosmetics, and it is one of their their Cream Sheen lipsticks. Now it's in the shade Soft Kisses, so it looks like this, and the bottom there is what the shade is. Now I'm not going to open this because I will pop this in a giveaway. I am doing a massive declutter at the moment, and one of my biggest areas is the amount of lip products that I've got. So I don't want to add another one in when I really need to declutter my lip products. So I will pass this on to you guys and pop it in a future giveaway. Now this retails for $30 Australian and is available from maccosmetics.com.au, and I actually really like the formula of these MAC lipsticks. I have a fair few. I might even have this same shade if I'm honest, because that's normally a shade that I would go for. But yeah, I absolutely love these, and I think you guys will enjoy it as well. So the next product that I got in the premium box is from Mary Grace, and it is the Skin Replenishing Miracle Serum. So it's got niacinamide B3, watermelon seed oil, and hyaluronic acid. I don't know how to pronounce that first one, so I apologize. But this is the packaging. It is really cute. It is just like a white glass sort of bottle, and it has a sticker on it, and it's got all gold. Now it is a pump top, and this one retails for $50 Australian and is available from marygrace.com.au. Now, if you haven't been to my channel before, I actually have a lot of allergies and I'm not trying any new skincare at the moment, so I will pass this on to a friend or family member, but I just want to have a quick smell of it and see if it smells good. Oh, it doesn't really have much of a scent at all. So it's probably like a unscented one maybe, because yeah, it's not very strong, which I love. But this is also cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan. Ooh, I can't read that next one. It's good for, oh, here we go. It is fragrance-free, and it is also good for sensitive skin. Now, it has like these little symbols on the side there. I'm not sure if you're able to see them. Just there, and they're so tiny it's really hard to read, but I will pass this on to a friend or family member and they will be super excited with it. So the next product that I got in here is from Model Rock Lashes, and it is Magna Luxe Magnetic Lash Bond. So it's in the color black, and it is cruelty free and vegan, and this is the packaging here. And it retails for $25 Australian and is available from modelrocklashes.com.au. Now, I think it looks just like a liquid eyeliner, and you use it with their magnetic lashes. So this is a little packet. So far, I have not had any luck with magnetic lashes, but I'd be interested in trying this one out. Okay, yeah, it has a really fine line, so that you can pop it on your lash line. It is 5 grams and it is in the shade black, so I'd be interested in trying this one out. Now, it does come with a set of lashes as well. So the next product in the box is the actual lashes, and this is the Magna Luxe Magnetic Eyelashes, and this is in the name Raven. So it is lightweight, foam ink and reusable, and this is the packaging, which is really stunning, and those lashes look really pretty as well. They look right up my alley. So these retail for $25 Australian as well, and they're available from modelrocklashes.com.au. So I'm very excited to give these a shot. As I said, I have not had any luck with magnetic lashes in the past, but I've never tried this brand before with them. So yeah, I'm very excited to give these a shot. And anything that I try before posting today's video, I will post a little clip of me using them and give you my first impressions as well. So I have just used the lashes and liner, the magnetic ones. So this is what they look like. Now, I'm definitely not a fan of them still. I have not had any luck with any magnetic lashes, unfortunately. With the liner, we'll start with that first. So the liner goes on really, really nicely. That's perfectly fine. It is very, very small a brush, so it is a bit hard to like do a wing with this, but it is such a really, really fine little brush here, which is really, really good and precise if you're just wanting a very small line. Now, on the back of the lashes, it said that you had to apply 2 to 3 coats of the liner, and trying to go over a liner 2 to 3 times is pretty hard, so I did struggle with that and was making it a bit thicker. I did mess up on this eye here, and I was able to clean it up straight away, but I have got a little bit down here, and it's much harder to clean up if you don't take it away straight away. So just a word of warning for that. The other thing is, I'm not sure if this is going to show on camera, but can you see that little hair on the brush there? So I've already pulled off 2 or 3 of these, and now there's more on here. So that is a bit annoying because with such a small brush, you're trying to get precise, and if it does that, it's gonna go everywhere. So I don't like the brush because of that. But overall the liner went on pretty nicely. As for the lashes, I did have to chop off 2 little bits because it was too big for my eyes. And I've got basically average eyes. I don't have big ones, I don't have small ones, so this will definitely suit for bigger eyes. It's really nice that there is a magnetic strip in here as well, so it goes in nicely. But trying to get it on, it says to give you 5 to 10 seconds for the liner to set and then place it on. Popping it on is pretty good. If you don't put it on the right place though and you take it off, it is going to take the liner off. So you really need to be like really good at applying lashes for that reason. And the other thing to note about it as well is I am struggling with the inner corner on both eyes, but specifically this one here. And I've been trying to add a little bit more liner in, and every time I did that, it is getting on the lashes here. So overall, not the best lashes, but I will be honest, and I have not found a pair of magnetic lashes that I have been able to manage to work for me, but we'll see how they hold on throughout the day. So I'm only about an hour and 15 minutes in so far, but I just wanted to quickly mention that the eyeliner is still really sticky. So can you see that? That's my nail sticking to it. I thought it would have dried down nicely, and the reason why I figured this out is because both inner corners keep popping up and I keep sticking them back down, like I'm having to stick them down like that, and my fingers keep sticking to the eyeliner. So it has now been close to 7 hours and these lashes are not feeling great right now. The 2 inner magnets have lifted on both sides now, and I can't get it to stick down properly anymore. It keeps popping back up like straight away, versus before it would stay there for a few minutes. The liner is still definitely sticky, so unfortunately I'm not a fan of these, but I will say I'm not a fan of any of the magnetic lashes. I have not been able to get any of them to work for me. So yeah, unfortunately these are a no from me. So just really quickly, I wanted to quickly mention I just removed the lashes, and on the lashes it is full of the little magnetic glue, and it pulled off quite a bit on my lashes, mainly this side. And the lucky last product in here is from Galactic. and it is a Skin Glow Duo. So this retails for 44 Australian dollars and is available from galactic.com. Now it is really pretty packaging again, and let me open this up. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this is the packaging inside. Absolutely stunning. Now this is actually a one-of-a-kind formula that is infused with crushed pearls. So it's basically a cream formula, and it applies seamlessly with no cakiness and dries down to a long-wearing perfect glow. So that sounds really good. It does come with a mirror, but these are the two shades on the bottom here. So it's a nice champagne-y shade and then more of a peachy shade. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of cream products, but I'm definitely willing to give it a shot. So let's give it a swatch. Ooh, this feels wet. So let's get some on both of them. So I'll just go in with the peach one first here on top, and then I will do the champagne-y color here down the bottom. Now it is very hard to pick up on camera, so I think both these shades are definitely going to work for me. This is the peachy one and this is the champagne one. It feels really nice and smooth, and it basically melts into your skin. I've just blended it out a bit, and yeah, it is absolutely stunning. And it is not an over-the-top highlighter. It does give more of like a subtle glow, but I'm interested in trying this out and seeing how it works. So I've just used the Galactic highlighter. Now I did go for the champagne side because the other side is a bit too deeper for me. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning, super bright. Definitely going to be able to see me from space today. So yeah, very happy with this. Now it is a cream product. It is super smooth. I just used my finger to pop it on and it blended on really nicely, and feeling it, like, it doesn't feel wet or anything at all. It definitely feels like it has like dried down really nicely, but it's just giving me a really nice shine. And I'm not a fan of many cream products, but this one is actually really nice, so I'm excited to have this in my collection. So it has now been 7 hours, or almost 7 hours, for the highlighter, and it is still as blinding as ever. It is still all in place. I have been doing some odd jobs around the house and unpacking still, and it is still all in place and looking stunning. So I'm super excited. I really do love that highlighter. So yeah, I'm super excited to keep playing with it. So that was everything for the premium box this month, and that was a very exciting box. I'm very excited to try everything on and give it a whirl. But this month's box came in at 269 Australian dollars, and I only paid 99 Australian dollars. So I'm super happy with the value for money in this month's box. And as I said, I'm super excited to give everything a try. If you would like to try Lumibox yourself, then you can use the code PureLottie10. This is an affiliate code and it will get you 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. Now, if you do use my code, I do truly appreciate it because I do earn a small amount of commission from it, and I appreciate you supporting me and my channel. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!